Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain why Israel is so controversial. The region holds immense historical and religious significance for multiple faiths, creating deep-rooted connections and competing claims. This complex tapestry of history, religion, and national aspirations forms the bedrock of many disagreements. Understanding these foundational elements is crucial to grasping the ongoing debates and the diverse perspectives involved. We'll explore the key factors contributing to its contentious nature. The historical roots of the controversy are deep, stemming from the late 19th and early 20th centuries. The rise of Zionism, a movement for Jewish self-determination, coincided with existing Arab populations in the region. The 1948 war, following the end of the British Mandate, resulted in the establishment of Israel and a significant refugee crisis for Palestinians. These events laid the groundwork for decades of conflict and unresolved issues. Several core issues fuel the ongoing controversy. The status of Jerusalem, a holy city for Jews, Christians, and Muslims, is perhaps the most sensitive. Israeli settlements in the West Bank are another major point of contention, viewed by many as obstacles to peace. Additionally, the right of return for Palestinian refugees displaced in past conflicts is a deeply emotional and unresolved issue, contributing significantly to the enduring dispute. International perspectives on Israel are diverse, with many nations and organizations frequently debating its policies and actions. These discussions often involve complex legal and ethical considerations, highlighting the global impact of the conflict. Achieving a lasting peace remains a significant challenge, requiring ongoing dialogue and compromise from all parties involved. For easy meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.